Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's sketch a pretty car together. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start with the wheels. Draw 2 circles for each wheel, a large one and a smaller one. Join the wheels on a horizontal band, which will be the base of our car. Now, trace the car outline. Draw a vertical line and a quarter of a circle, then the glass with an oblique line. Draw a horizontal line for the roof and a curved line that joins the base. Wow! Our car is taking shape! Now draw the windows by making a horizontal line first, then another one that follows the car shape. Now, one vertical line for the window and 2 vertical lines for the car door. Draw a rectangle for the handle. Draw a rectangle and a semicircle for the headlights. Wow! Our drawing turned out really well. Good job! Now let's get the colors. Use red for the car. Orange for the rectangle of the headlight, the handle, and the internal circle of the wheels. Now color the headlight and windows with yellow. Use green for the base of the car. And use black for the wheels. Wow, you've been very good! Our car is ready to leave for a new journey. Goodbye, my friends. See you soon.